In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate bank fee transactions in QuickBooks Online. This quick and essential tutorial will streamline your bookkeeping process and ensure accuracy in your financial records. If you've ever encountered duplicate transactions in QuickBooks, you know how frustrating they can be, but don't worry, we're here to help you resolve this issue effectively, and it won't take more than 5 minutes of your time. First things first, we'll begin by signing into QuickBooks Online. If you're not already on the login page, navigate there now. Once you're on the login screen, click on the Sign In option to proceed. Enter the credentials associated with your QuickBooks Online account. These are the usual email and password that you set up when you created your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to verify your identity. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to tackle those duplicate transactions. Next, on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for and select the option labeled QuickBooks Online. This will take you to the main interface where you manage your financial data. From here, we're going to head straight to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find all the transactions that have been downloaded from your bank, and unfortunately, it's also where those pesky duplicates tend to appear. Now that you're in the Bank Transactions section, you should see an option to view categorized transactions. Click on Categorized, as this will show you all the transactions that have already been matched and approved in your records. It's important to note that only categorized transactions can be undone, so make sure you're in the right section. With the categorized transactions displayed, it's time to identify any duplicates. You'll notice an action column on the far right of your screen. Here you'll find an undo button. If you spot a transaction that appears to be duplicated, simply click undo under the action column. This will move the transaction back to the For Review tab, allowing you to review it closely and determine whether it truly is a duplicate or if it needs further attention. It's that easy. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently resolve duplicate transactions, ensuring that your financial data is both accurate and organized. This process not only saves you from potential headaches down the line, but also enhances the reliability of your financial reporting. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and now feel confident in handling duplicate transactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more resources available in QuickBooks. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!